So Bill just said that the Queen Anne's lace was excellent. They were excellent. Huh, Bill?
Yes, they very are. We're going to try them with some jam and powdered sugar next time, I think.
Yeah.
Kind of like a French waffle or something.
Yeah. He's cooking right. Alrighty. Alrighty, so we have had a very nice taste sensation night. This was a broiled sweet potato, right? Was it? How'd you cook it? Broiled? However you cooked it.
Yeah.
I was going to deep fry them.
Quartered them and sprinkled them with olive oil.
Olive oil.
And tiny sugar and
They're
some
good.
cinnamon.
They're good. And even with roasted garlic, that's good too. It's just been all kinds of trippy stuff tonight. Jicama, I'm broiling the jicama right now. I know it's going to be good. If I don't burn them, they're going to be good. I know that. All right. Peace.
Goodness.
Love. Peace.
Peace out.
Peace. Love. Love.